Have you been trying hard to lose weight, but it seems you aren't satisfied with the result? Vegan keto diet could be the answer for you. Today, we will share with you what are the ingredients of the vegan keto diet, what are the foods to avoid, what are the benefits and risks to your health. Make sure you watch till the end so that you have all the tips you need and decide if it's suitable for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this and turn on the notification so that you don't miss our videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. What is vegan keto diet? How does it work? Vegan keto diet is low in carbohydrates and high in fat, one that is plant-based. It is a diet that uses fat to replace as much carbohydrates as possible. Carbohydrates are the preferred energy source for our body. They are important for fueling our brain, heart, muscles, and other body cells. The objective of keto diet is to cause your body to use a different type of energy source. With drastic reduction in carbohydrates, it forces your body into a state called ketosis. When this happens, your liver starts to convert stored fat into ketone bodies. Instead of the usual carbohydrates as the energy source, ketone bodies becomes the fuel for the brain, heart, and muscles. As your body starts to burn fat at the state of ketosis, you begin to lose weight. Then, what are the ingredients of vegan keto diet? Number 1. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are great substitutes for food high in carbohydrates. They are low in calories but high in minerals and nutrients. They are also rich in fiber, making you feel full longer. In this way, it helps you to avoid snack in the day. Examples of non-starchy vegetables for your keto diet include broccoli, asparagus, cabbage, cauliflower, eggplant, cucumber, green beans, kale, olives, lettuce, spinach, and tomatoes. Vegetables also provide other health benefits and reduce the risk of cancer and heart diseases. Number 2. Berries. Fruits contain a lot of carbohydrates. In general, they are not suitable for keto diet. On the other hand, berries are an exception. They are rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates. This makes them an ideal keto diet ingredient. They have other properties that can protect you against diseases. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are low in carbohydrates but rich in healthy fats. They contain a lot of fiber to make you feel satisfied and full longer. In this way, they help you consume less calories for weight loss. Consuming nuts can reduce the risk of depression, heart diseases, cancers, and other chronic diseases. They can also lead to healthy aging. In keto diet, you still need to watch the amount of nuts and seeds you eat as they are not free of carbohydrates. So, please consume them in moderation. Number 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most suitable ingredients to be used in a keto diet. Unlike other fats, it is much easier for your liver to convert them into ketones for use as an energy source. Coconut oil may increase your metabolism. This could explain why it is effective for obese people to lose weight and belly fat. Choose full fat and unsweetened coconut milk or cream. Number 5. Healthy oils. Oils are essential for your body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. They also improve the flavor of your food and keep you full and satisfied longer. Since fats are your main energy source, it is important to choose natural oils such as olive and avocado oil to prepare your meals. Try to avoid vegetables and seeds oil as they are generally highly processed. They are likely to contain carbohydrates that you need to minimize. Number 6. Vegan protein sources. Having sufficient protein in your diet is critical in maintaining your muscle and health. The usual sources of protein would normally come from beans and legumes. But these are foods you need to avoid in a keto diet as they contain high levels of carbohydrates. Without beans and legumes, you can have your proteins from tofu and tempeh. They are made from soy and are ideal substitutes. Tofu may taste bland, but they are amazing at absorbing flavors from marinades. Seasoned tofu before cooking add great taste to it. There is also the extra firm tofu option. It can be as firm and chewy as meat. Tempeh has a grainy texture and it is firmer than tofu. You can dice, slice or grind it easily before cooking. Seitan is a meat substitute for vegetarian. It contains wheat, garlic and seaweed. It is high in protein and iron, but seitan contains a lot of gluten. It is not suitable for you if you are sensitive to gluten. Number 7. Avocados. Avocados are high in fat, fiber, minerals and vitamins. This makes them perfect for vegan keto meal. With their high potassium content, consuming avocados can make it easier for you to transition to a keto diet. As they contain healthy fats, they are known to improve your health and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Number 8. Vegan full-fat dairy. The base ingredients come from coconut, nuts and soy. Coconut milk can be used to substitute milk. Coconut cream can replace cream. It will normally require you to blend or skim it with water as it can be quite thick. Coconut oil has quite similar properties as butter. It makes a great replacement for butter. If you do not like the taste of coconut oil, vegan butter is an alternative. They are made from coconut, soy, cashew and other nuts. They are delicious and savory. Number 9. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are important elements of vegan keto diet. They bring great variety and taste to your meals. They also contain additional essential nutrients while being low in carbohydrates. The common ones are garlic, ginger, pepper, basil, cinnamon and rosemary. Now, what are the foods to avoid? Number 1. Animal products. In a vegan keto diet, meat, poultry, dairy, seafood and eggs should be completely avoided. The protein, fat and nutrients would be replaced by plant-based products that are shared previously. Number 2. Grains. Bread, rice, pasta, cereal and beer contain much carbohydrates. You should avoid or minimize the consumption of such food. If you really need to consume them, you should limit to a maximum of 1 slice of bread. For the same carbohydrates, it is better to eat a lot more non-starchy vegetables instead. Number 3. Fruits. Besides berries, all other fruits contain a high level of carbohydrates. They include banana, mango and pear. They are known to spike your blood sugar level. Number 4. Starchy vegetables. Potatoes, sweet potatoes and corn are starchy vegetables. They are rich in digestible carbohydrates. Hence, they should not be considered in your keto diet. Number 5. Sugary drinks. Fresh or processed fruit juices, honey and syrup should be avoided in any keto diet. They contain a lot of sugar and carbohydrates. It can also lead to a spike in blood sugar level. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are considered healthy as they are rich in protein, fiber and nutrients. But they contain a fair amount of carbohydrates. Hence, it is challenging to include them in a keto diet. Number 7. Processed foods. Limit the consumption of packed foods. They usually contain a lot of sugar, carbohydrates and artificial additives. Opt for unprocessed foods instead. What are the side effects of vegan keto diet? Transition to keto diets can be difficult. Such sickness is often referred to as keto flu. It happens when you reach the state of ketosis. Some of these side effects include headache, nausea, dizziness, fatigue, digestive problems, kidney stones, and nutrient deficiencies. It is important to stay hydrated and eat fiber-rich foods. You should also engage in regular exercises to help you overcome keto flu. In summary, keto diet is based on high-fat and low-carbohydrate plant foods. It has been linked to weight loss and risk reduction of diabetes and heart diseases. Because vegan keto diet restricts the consumption of many foods, it is not meant for everyone. Therefore, before switching to vegan keto diet, consult your doctor or a qualified health professional to ensure that the diet is suitable for you. For more natural diets that are effective to lose weight, you can watch the video in the link below or the next video. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more videos on how to lose weight, improve health and build muscle. I will see you in the next video and take care.